This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by McIntyre Team. Century 21 Olympian agents are experienced to get you the best price available. Call 281-796-3987 to start now. Beautiful 2-story, features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and a game room. Open concept floor plan with beautiful high ceilings and engineered wood flooring the first floor. The kitchen features quartz countertops and a big kitchen island with sink, energy-efficient stainless steel appliances. The spacious master bedroom is located on the first floor and it features separate shower and garden tub, double sinks and a large custom walk-in closet. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and a game room. This home also includes a front porch and covered patio with a large backyard. The house comes with alarm system installed. Close to the medical center, downtown and universities, easy access to 288 and 610.